Hi there guys, Johnny Rose here, and today I'm really excited to let you know about the launch of my next product. This coming Saturday on April 29th at 10 AM Eastern, I'm dropping 365 viral dog videos. You watching this will get access to 365, an entire year's worth of beautiful, pre-made, done for you viral dog videos that you can use on TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Instagram stories or Facebook Reels to go viral and make a lot of money. Now you will know, I know you'll get it by now, that short videos are massive right now. You've probably watched tons of them today. 15 to 60-second videos are how people are going viral and making a ton of money online right now. And I'm taking away all of the effort for you to start your own viral dog channel. You don't even have to like dogs or know anything about dogs. You'll be getting a year's worth of done for you video content that you can upload on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook or YouTube and go viral, massively viral. You can get millions of views in 24 hours with these kinds of videos. And what's awesome is all you need to do is put in an affiliate link to some sort of, dog related or pet related niche affiliate scheme, or you can just let the advertising of YouTube or Instagram pay for it. But the point is, you'll now have your own done for you viral dog channel and be able to make money however you want. If you like the sound of that, which you should, because I'm removing hundreds of hours of effort, most of you can't even make your own videos, let alone viral dog videos, and you want to get your hands on it for free, you can wait till Saturday and pay full price, which is awesome. Or if you do want to get your hands on an entire year's worth of done for you viral dog videos for free before the launch day, I'd like you to click the link down below. There's a product by a friend of mine called Digital Quotes Mastery. It's a wonderful training course which is going to teach you how to make a lot of money using the Etsy marketplace. If you know nothing about Etsy, you definitely should click the link below because you should know about Etsy. Number two, you can get my viral dog videos for free if you pick up Digital Quotes Mastery through my link below. What's awesome is you can use the free videos that you will receive from me as a bonus. You're getting my next upcoming product for free as a bonus if you get Digital Quotes Mastery through the link below. You can use the videos that you're getting for free, put them up on Etsy and start making money immediately on the same day using all the training that you're getting inside of Digital Quotes Mastery. So go and click the link below now, pick up Digital Quotes Mastery. You'll receive my next upcoming product for free, 365 viral dog videos, and you'll be able to make money with the training inside of Digital Quotes Mastery and my done for you videos that you will receive. Go and click the link below now. Thank you so much, guys.